Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. Last week, the Saudi Food and Drug Authority, the SFDA, quietly released a new draft guidance that represents one of the biggest strategic shifts in its regulatory framework in years. It is called MDS G028, and it officially opens the door for bundling multiple medical devices into a single marketing authorization. This might sound like a minor administrative update, but for medtech companies, this is a potential game changer for accessing the Saudi market. For years, manufacturers had to submit separate, costly applications for almost every single device. Think of an orthopedic surgery kit. That could mean dozens of individual submissions for screws, plates, and instruments. The new guidance changes that completely. Now, manufacturers can group these products into logical families or systems for a single submission, potentially saving hundreds of thousands of dollars and slashing months off regulatory timelines. This move is a clear signal of Saudi Arabia's commitment under Vision 2030 to becoming a more attractive and efficient market. By aligning more closely with international practices, like the European Union's model of device grouping, the SFDA is lowering the barrier to entry. This is fantastic news for companies with large, complex product portfolios who previously found the market too fragmented and expensive to approach comprehensively. However, the opportunity comes with significant hidden complexities. This is not a simple free-for-all. The critical factor is the justification for the bundle. The devices must be part of a single system, a procedural pack, or a clearly defined device family with the same intended purpose. Here is a real-world example of the challenge. We have seen a company attempt to bundle a sophisticated diagnostic endoscope with a related but separate disposable ablation tool. The application was rejected. The SFDA argued that although the devices are used in the same area of the body, their fundamental intended purposes, one for diagnosis and one for therapy, are distinct. This rejection led to a 6-month delay and the need to refile as two separate, more expensive applications. The key takeaway is that your bundling strategy must be regulatory-driven, not marketing-driven. Success requires a deep understanding of how the SFDA interprets intended purpose and device family. It involves carefully structuring your technical file to present a cohesive and undeniable justification for the grouping. The potential rewards are immense, but a flawed strategy can be more costly than not bundling at all. For medtech innovators looking to enter or expand within the Saudi market, navigating these new regulations is critical. If you have questions about how this new bundling guidance could impact your product portfolio, you can email us or visit our website for more information.